Hello everyone, it's your only Gaga boy, AB Gaga. I've flown across different countries and cities at night, but never seen any such golden beauty like the Arab countries of the Gulf. This is Qatar. On this video, I'm gonna be walking in the streets of Qatar beneath the sky to show you the reason why you see this country so beautiful and so colorful, full of lights whenever you fly through at night. After much exploration, I ended up nicknaming this place Versace Night World. These are the streets. This is what you see above when you're flying across Qatar. Observe very well, you will find that the houses tends to give golden shades and the city is all lit up. This is an area called Daphna in Qatar. Taking a walk around Daphna and let's see how beautiful the lights of Qatar shines at night. This area alone has 80% of human basic needs. Yes, there's lights. They have lights everywhere. Is clear, clean. There are roads, access roads everywhere. You know, they've got shops. In that place, you have the coffee, veggies, groceries, basic needs. You can see for yourself. So within this area, this place is accessible for the people living in this place. You understand? And this is charity. This is for charity. You can come here, drop your clothes here. You just can drop your clothes here for people who needs it. Basic amenities. Basic amenities. Even shoes, you know, toys even. So when the city is like this, on the ground level, how do you not expect it to be so Versace at the up level when you're flying across? These lights all come together to make Qatar a very beautiful country up in the sky. That's Primrose Nursery. It's an added advantage of people living here, you know. You got a nursery school close to your house. I told you this place has a lot of basic amenities. Like, it has most of your needs if you're a family person. Another school spotted just adjacent to the Primrose. This is Newton International School, and I guess this high school, I feel it's high school, yeah. So you see, it has the basic amenities you need. Drop and go, yeah, because it's close to the road. So what next? I want to show you one more basic amenities this area has to give. This Daphna area of Qatar. Heading there, you can see the bus stop. It can take you straight to the metro station. If you have your metro card, you can tap in, you know. Basic amenities, lighting everywhere. Everywhere is clear, the street is safe. You understand. See the beauty of light, you know, see the beauty of light. Basic amenities. Spotted now A vintage car and a vintage boat. Man. Ha. Another charity bus spotted. And here we are, Al-Tafia Park. Be hearing the sound of football from this park, and it has a lot of things to show us. Let me not tell you all. Come inside with me. Come on, let's see what Al-Tafia Park has for the people living in this area. This is a walkway. See some guys bossing there. Oh, nice green garden. You can run, you can burn some fat, you can build your muscles in your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. All in your neighborhood. Let's read the park instructions. Large bicycle not allowed, no pets allowed, campfire and barbecue not allowed, don't pick flowers, and no smoking. Qatar is a very family-oriented country. Like, a lot of people here have families. A lot of people here, because it's an expat country. These are expats who came here to work on different skill, so they bring their families over. So it's a very family cautious and oriented country. Take note. This video will be rounding up soon, and it's actually good taking a stroll at night. I just want to use this opportunity to tell you guys, try to take a walk in the evenings. It's very good for your mental health. A lot of people going through a lot these days. People are dying slowly inside, but you don't want to let nobody pressure you. Don't let nobody pressure you. Take some walk, drink healthy water, clean water, and mind your business and be positive. Okay? Ain't nobody pressure you, 'cause you gonna be what you wanna be. Don't you give up. As I'm rounding up, I'll be focusing on showing you the gates. I love the gates. I love the gates of these houses, and the lights plus the gates, everything really black, good, white, all the Versace family, all the Versace color, yeah. And it was nice. It was nice having this documentary with you guys. And this is the date tree getting ready to get set. It's still green. And when it's finally ready, it's gonna be like this and like this. Love you.